Hi everybody, it's Shanna. Thank you so much for joining me. I am still on vacation, but I wanted you guys to have a video, so I thought I would open up this Cozy and Bright kit that I got in the mail right before I left. So I haven't even had a chance to open it. I've only seen the previews that was sent to us. It is available now. It's kind of for Christmas, but it's not your typical Christmas kit. So I think this has a lot of potential for all winter and even more than that. So I think it's a great kit to have. I actually bought a couple so that I could take one to my new daughter-in-law. I'm actually taking several kits to them because I got 4 new grandchildren to my son's wedding that I'm at currently. And they do like to do crafty stuff, so I thought some card kits would be perfect way to introduce myself to my new family. So this kit is called Cozy and Bright. It is number 160338, and let's open it together. So you get it in the box. You get a Poppy Parade ink spot. So I'm gonna pull out my Poppy Parade because I'm not gonna open my ink spot. You get let's see if I got, oh, here we go. This is the stamp set. It says, celebrate the season, all is cozy and bright. May the holiday warm your heart. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Orange, you glad it's Christmas. Happy Christmas. It's a joyous new year. Okay, it's a lot of Christmas sentiments. So, all right. So, of course, like I don't know if my daughter-in-law even has anything stamping. So, I mean, I'm taking a couple extra blocks, but it does come with a block. So, even if you don't, or you have a friend you want to get these for, it does come with one, so that's good. There's another one I can take to her. It looks like it's got some twine here. Some dimensionals, which we know we love. We got, oh, look at the envelopes. So these envelopes have little oranges on them and pine cones. Love that. And here we have some great big oranges and like cinnamon sticks. So I'm gonna pop out a few of these oranges. I just like popping mine out all here at one time because it just makes it easier for me to just pop, you know, at once, because they just come, you know, they're all together, and I'm not like playing the game. See how easy that is? And then here is some smaller ones, although, oh, these are stickers. Okay, so no popping these out. These are stickers. Here are some labels. So, so we're just gonna pull these apart really fast. I love that all this, that's the nice thing about these kits, is it's really easy for the new stamper. But even if you're not, I mean, you can tweak them if you want something more stepped up, or if you don't and you just want to put out like a whole bunch of cards for Christmas, then boom, you can do it. All right, so we have, here's our card bases, and we are getting, how many are we getting? Here's the instructions. So, I was looking to see if it says how many is on here. It says 12 cards and 12 envelopes, and it does show you a picture of what all comes in the kit. So it does have the instructions here. So it says you're going to use 12 inches of the twine. So if you're precise and you know you don't want to, you want to make sure you have enough, you can happen to have a ruler here. I have to find the end of it though. There we go. So there's my 12. All right, so there's some twine. All right, so we're just gonna take one of our card bases. Look how gorgeous that is. Does that not look awesome? All right, so we're gonna take that, and then it looks like you're gonna take one of these small oranges and just put it up here with this little leaf that's sticking out and stick it down. And then you're going to take one of the bigger oranges, and I'm going to use some dimensionals, I think, for that. And we'll put that so that that little leaf is sticking out there. Then we're going to take one of the cinnamon sticks, and let's see, so that gets kind of a dimensional right there. Right there, and essentially one up here. So yeah, I think that's over just a little bit too far though, because I don't want it to. I'm going to break that dimensional in half because I don't think it's going to, I don't want it to go over the side of my card. And I'm going to go ahead, I feel like, because I fiddle farted with that, that's sticking up, so. All right, now, sorry, I think I just knocked you around. We're going to take one of our labels, and I had that pad, so let's make sure we have that since we're going to use photopolymer stamp. And let's choose a sentiment. I'm going to go ahead and use the Aren't You Glad It's Christmas, since it's oranges aren't there, right? I feel like you have to. And then this is going to go across like this. So we want a dimensional on this side. And then I'm going to just use glue dots. guess you could use glue or glue dots, whichever one. So we're going to put this like that. And then we're going to use a couple. So one of these guys is going to kind of stick there. And then another one is going to right there. And that's all there is to it. I feel like we could put one more sentiment on the inside though. I think I'll put Happy Christmas and a Joyous New Year. On the inside. All right, there you go, guys. Isn't that super pretty? I love it. I think that's going to be a great card, and I think I might do these up for my, I have usually let my daughter do Christmas cards, but I do think I like this, and I think I will make some of these up for my Christmas cards. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I should be back live by the next time you see me, because this should be showing the day after Labor Day, and I'm on the road, and hopefully my husband and I are not driving each other nuts. So I might need a vacation from my husband after this. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great week. Bye.